All right, guys. Welcome back on this live outlook. So, reka turebere hamwe gold uko imezemo. But before we go on technically analysis or outlook, reka turebere hamwe kwanza fundamental outlooks. Tujye kuri Forex Factory. Iyi ngiyi ni Forex Factory, aho turebera hamwe news ziranga almost icyumweru, umunsi, ukwezi, everything, buri fundamental news yose biri ahangaha. So we are on Monday, June 16th, kuwa mbere, nk'uko mubibona, ako tugiye kurebera hamwe gold. So dufite news saa mbiri n'igice za mu gitondo zo muri Amerika. So it will be around nka saa munani n'igice z'ahangaha mu Rwanda. Yeah. So we are having this medium impact affected news. Ariyo, orange folder. Tukagira, GBP, GPY red folder news. Gusa yabaye tentative. Yabaye ihagaritswemo, ntago tuzingira kuza kuba ryari. So which means, guys, on this Monday, we are not expecting a very huge volume or cyangwa se volatility kuri USD pairs. Even any pair, there is no big volume. That's a big volatility on this day Monday. So kuba nta volatility nini hari, it doesn't mean yuko umuntu aba atagomba gucodinga kuri uwo munsi umuntu yabonye opportunity, gusa nyine price is typically moving somehow slow. So on Tuesday, ejo kuwa kabiri, so we'll be having a wait for the news, core retail sales and retail sales as well. So same hour, saa mbili n'igice. So which means tomorrow will be a very good day, after this time for those who trade New York session. So they might be a very good opportunity after this wait for the news occurred. So and then kwa gatatu, we are also having a wait for the news, USD rates for the news, same hour saa mbili n'igice zo muri Amerika. Even for those who trade currencies, including cards, everything, we're having also a card good for the news, and GBP as well for those who trade an Asian session. So there's GBP, GPY, for those who trade at GBP, GPY, GBP, USD, things like that. So we're having a CPI on Wednesday at the Asian session. So ano ngabo mu Rwanda, you have to wake up early and then wait for opportunities at that time. So after that, kwa kane, kwa gatatu dufite izindi ready for the news, saa munani muri PM session yo muri Amerika, session ya nimugoroba. So naho hariho news, it's almost like ni nka saa mbiri gutyo zo mu Rwanda cyangwa saa tatu gutyo, ntabwo nabirebye neza. So naho dufite mu road for the news kuwa gatatu. Even kuwa kane dufite road for the news kuri GBP as well, saa moya zo muri Amerika. We don't have any USD news, wait for the news on Thursday. So there is bank holidays. Yeah. So for those who trade currencies with the USD, so expect zero move on, the zero volatility on Thursday. So the market will be moving somehow slow. So even kwa gatanu, we are having USD news here. So let's look, is it any road for the news for the USD pairs, dufite currencies, okay? I can actually tell you the currencies. Because we're going to analyze gold, let me just look at the USD pairs only. So dufite road for the news kuwa kabiri, kuwa gatatu. Exactly. So which means ino minsi ibiri niyo minsi myiza cyane ushobora kuba warebamo opportunity, then ukaba wafata high probability setups. Kwa kabiri no kwa gatatu, because it's the only days that we're having the road for the news, even kwa mbere for the next week, but we are still just focusing on this week. So let's go straight to the chart and see how the gold is normally looking. So tuhereye ahangaha kuri monthly time frame. As you can see, gold is bullish and is targeting this high. Today, pretty weekly. The market has reacted within this weekly favorable gap and is typically just targeting this high. This is the main high that the market is just looking to take out. This one here. So tugiye kuri daily time frame, urabona ko market yaje within this daily favorable gap and is pushing higher toward this high here. Yeah, but before the market reaches here, it has to move in waves, you know? So we're moving in waves like this with the pullbacks. No, is waves in market igenda ikora nubwo igenda isiga ama point of interest. It's always leaving some point of interest to react from so that it can push higher within its intended direction. So this point of interest izo nizo twe turindira kugira ngo tube twafatiramo opportunities. Okay, I'll clear everything. So the market yagarutse muri point of interest, as I was saying, izamuka targeting at this high right next here. This high yarangije iduhereza break of structure, and then irangije ahangaha hejuru nabwo iduha break of structure ivuye ku reacting amino point of interest favorable gap here. So then after this break of structure dufite within the point of interest here dushobora kuba turimo expecting market yuko iri buze ku reactingamo, so which is this one here. Dufite iyi ngiyi hano, this point of interest which is here. Even this candlestick isigaje 11 hours kugira ngo ifunge. We don't know how it's going to close. Ishobora gufunga igasiga in the point of interest maybe around here, hano ikazaba ariyo reactingamo iri gutargetinga this next high which is here. So nyuma y'uko market iri kuzamuka ijya hariya hejuru, the market yamaze gukuramo ino high iri hano, this high which is here. Market yamaze kuyikuramo, which means this is a liquidity high, so it has to retrace back. Igomba kumanuka kujya gushaka imbaraga kugira ngo iboneke izamuka until kuri ya main high yacu iri hariya hejuru. So nitujya ku masaha ane turaza kuza gusanga indi conference yindi nuko market, also give me a sec. Give me a sec, guys. Okay, so some other conferences to look for apart from our point of interest, uraza kuza gusanga market yacu n'ubundi from here yagiye iza reacting within discount zones. Yagiye iza mu ma discount zone before yuko isubira hejuru. So market yacu yaje muri discount zone which is right here, and then pushing hejuru ijya gukuramo iriya high hariya hejuru. This is the first one. And then second one, nuko market nabwo mbere y'uko izamuka ngo ize gukuramo ino high, nabwo dore yaje muri discount zone. It has came within the discount zone here, and then within the discount zone. So for those ones who do not know what discount zone is, so you can visit my YouTube videos, and then I think you will find one there. So market yaje within the discount zone, and then it pushing izamuka higher, ijya gukora mino high, and then a new high has formed, you know, a new high has formed here after taking out this high which is here. So remember, this is the daily fair value gap. This one here is a daily fair value gap. So that's a daily point of interest. So then numerical market equilibrium high, and then so we have to look for a retracement within the discount zone as well. So the market has to retrace almost 50% of my Fibonacci retracement, which is a discount zone just here. So market ishobora kuba yaretracinga and then ikaza within this discount zone at the same time muri ya daily fair value gap yacu as a point of interest and then reacts to the upside targeting this high which is here. Yeah, this is also possible. Yeah. So apart from that, uh as day traders, so what I'm just looking for today ni uko market twabonye yuko gold cyangwa se ama USD pairs azagira imbaraga cyane almost from Wednesday and Thursday as well. So which means market uyu munsi ushobora kuba yayitracinga kuwa kabiri no kuwa gatatu ikaba yayitracinga and then kuwa kane kuwa kabiri uyu munsi kuwa mbere no kuwa kabiri and then kuwa gatatu ikaba yakora iki noneho yazamuka and then no kuwa kane ikongera ikazamuka cyane kuko bizaba bifite imbaraga. So which means guys for today the gold is really reacting within this 4-hour fair value gap which is on a point of interest, but some people are thinking maybe they are going to buy from here. They're going to buy from here, which is also possible, but this is not what I'm just looking for. So ndimo ndareba yuko nyuma yeah, I can buy from here. Ubona ko nagiye buying also from this point of interest, like this 4-hour fair value gaps that are resting here. Kubera yuko market yanjye n'ubundi yari imiva muri discount zone izamuka ijya hejuru. So on the way going up, then nagiye buying n'ubundi as well turi gutargetinga ino high which is here. But nyuma yuko ino high yavuyemo ndetse n'iyi middle high ikaba nayo yavuyemo hano and then the previous week high and then market ikaba yamaze gusweepinga zino liquidity, so which means I'm waiting for a pullback within the discount zone. So which means I might be looking for sales opportunities until my discount zone, cyangwa se this daily fair value gap. And then on the way targeting this high, targeting high, then I might look for some opportunities within the like 4-hour fair value gaps, things like that, that will be resting around here. So gusa system nikora ariko mfite high ndi kureba hejuru yanjye ndimo ndakurikira hanyuma yuko itarakurwa. So which is like this the previous high here, even like the previous high here, as you can see this point of interest here. So we've had a boat from here up to there just like this. So it's not guaranteed yuko market iraza kuza kuba yapushing ikaza muri ino discount zone yanjye hanga kugira ngo izamuke, no gusa nyine it's highly probable. So biri muri probability ziri hejuru yuko market ishobora kuba yamanuka and then ikaza gupushingiza hejuru hari. So we are also having another fair value gap here at 4-hour fair value gap, 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour fair value gap as well, which is in line with the daily fair value gap, which is a very good and strong point of interest. So and then apart from that, so we are having a bearish fair value gap here. Ikindi candlestick kugira ngo ifunga isigaje almost 3 hours kugira ngo ibe yafunga, which is here. Here we are having another bearish fair value gaps. Let me mark them as purple just like this. So which means candlestick ishaka gufunga igasiga bearish fair value gap, and then market ikaba yaza reacting within this zone here and igaselinga hasi. So igaselinga turi gutargetinga like this low here, also this low right here. Yeah, ntabwo dutargetinga byinshi kuko turi muri point of interest iri bullish, so which means ushaka gutargetinga hano hasi market ikaba yakora reversal ikaba yazamukira muri point of interest just like this. But typically we are bearish on gold. Yeah, we're looking short opportunities. Yeah, as we are in the point of interest here, but we are looking for short opportunities because the market is within the premium zone. So guys, market in the premium zone, so which means we don't sell. We don't buy within the premium zones, but we sell from the premium zones and then we buy within the discount zones. So this is the premium zone and this is the discount zone. So we are looking for sales from the premium zone to discount zone, and then we are looking for buys from discount zone to premium zone. Yeah, this is the concept, guys. So you have to pay attention. So you better wait for let me see, yeah, something else. So if you go on chart just like this, and you turn on your session indicator. Okay. So if you can see, the Asian session has expanded. You see, the Asian session has typically expanded. And the London session is consolidating. Just look, London session is just consolidating. So, and then if you see Asian session expanded, and then you find out that a London session is ranging or consolidating, then you have to expect New York session to distribute to the downside as well, just like this. Yeah. So, which means London session might react within the point of interest or those bearish fair value gaps here, and then short to the downside as well as targeting the discount zone to long from. So this is what I'm just looking at. Another confluence for this setup to be taken. It is that. Now let me take out this session indicator. So it is that if you can see here, the market is really ranging from this zone here. The market is ranging from this zone. And then for those one who really knows how to apply the AMD concept, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So the market is ranging, is accumulating within this zone, and then it might manipulate down lower, to manipulate lower, and then distribute to the to the upside. So which will give accumulation and manipulation to the downside, as well as distribution to the upside, just like this. So guys, this is what I'm seeing on gold. It doesn't mean that your outlook is not real, uh, but for me, this is what I'm just seeing on gold. So I'm really waiting to buy gold from the discount zone and sell it within the premium zone. So let's look if we can have some sales opportunities after within the after this 4 hour candlestick is done, So this 4 hour candlestick, so ndashaka kubona kino candlestick iza kuza gufunga ikansigira point of interest here, and then your point of interest akaba ariyo nza kuza gukora iki? Uh, so let me take this one on the side. So then in a point of interest ikaba ariyo nza kuza gukora iki? Gutargetinga market izijazemo, then nkaba naselinga to the downside, ndi gutargetinga this low right here. So until the market reaches the day fair value gap or the discount zone. So guys, you go and let me know how you get on the comments, and then I want to see and share me your outlooks, guys. Share me your outlooks. I want to see how you get on in the comments, guys. So you stay in touch, and guys, don't rush the markets, okay? So you better have to wait for good opportunities. Not every day is a trading day, so you have to wait for a high probable setup to come for you. Okay, so don't chase trades. Just wait for the perfect trades to come for you guys. And this is the only way that will make you be a successful trader and make it within this industry. So ciao, ciao, and let me know how you go in the comments.